So we roll up. We're in North Carolina this time. Decided, you know what? It's a big strange wall. I want to do a roller piece. Got the staircase in the middle, so I decided to go big. I got this roller paint. We're doing what we can, having some fun. We're rocking and rolling. Quick sketch, we had a thing we wanted to paint later, and so I wanted to finish this big wall as quick as I could. And here we go, got a little paint sprayer back on. Beautiful day with the homie Overt hooking it up with this wall. Really appreciate that, my dude.
Keep it up.
Ripping some highlights real quick. Some nice big fat highlights for a big piece. And, you know, on to some stars. Finish it off. Can't go wrong. Such a blast.